Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's tutorial is how to edit YouTube thumbnail using YouTube Studio. So I'm gonna show you here how to do it. Just keep on watching. So go to your Play Store and type YouTube Studio. Then install it. Okay, let's start. Open. Then click the three lines on top. Then go to videos and select your videos that you wanted to edit. So as you can see, there's like a pencil on top. Press that, then click edit thumbnail, then go to custom thumbnail, then select the photo that you like, then select and then save. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.